Why? I was actually thirsty. And I was also wondering what experiment to be showing you today. Hey, I know what to be showing you today. I have a glass tumbler which is filled with water and a plate which can close this. Now, if I just turn this upside down and remove my hand off the lid, what do you expect? The water to fall off, obviously because of gravity. But just watch. Does that really happen? Let me turn this upside down and remove the lid. Is the lid falling off? No, right? For answers, please join EduLab.